Welcome to 13th session of Advanced Financial Management, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, let us discuss meaning and significance of cost of capital. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed decision tree analysis problem. Learning objectives of the chapter. The aim of this unit is to make students to understand the cost of capital and its components, capital structure and various theories of capital structure. Meaning of cost of capital. The cost of capital of a firm is the minimum rate of return expected by its investors. It is the weighted average cost of various sources of finance used by firm. According to Solomon Ezra, cost of capital is the minimum required rate of earning or the cut-off rate of capital expenditure. Hampton John defines the term as the rate of return the firm requires from investment in order to increase the value of the firm in the marketplace. Cost of capital is the rate of return the firm expects to earn from its investment in order to increase the value of firm in the marketplace. In other words, it is the rate of return that the suppliers of capital require as compensation for their contribution of capital. Significance of cost of capital. First one, as an acceptance criterion in capital budgeting. Second one, as a determinant of capital mix in capital structure decision. Third point, as a basis for evaluating the financial performance. Fourth one, as a basis for taking other financial performance. First one, as an acceptance criterion in capital budgeting. According to the present value method of capital budgeting, if the present value of expected returns from investment is greater than or equal to the cost of investment, the project may be accepted. Otherwise, the project may be rejected. The present value of expected returns is calculated by discounting the expected cash inflow at cut-off rate, which is the cost of capital. Hence, the concept of cost of capital is very useful in capital budgeting decision. Second one, as a determinant of capital mix in capital structure decisions. Financing the firm's asset is a very crucial problem in every business, and as a general rule, there should be a proper mix of debt and equity capital in financing a firm's assets. While designing an optimal capital structure, the management has to keep in mind the objective of maximizing the value of the firm and minimizing the cost of capital. Third one, as a basis for evaluating the financial performance. In the words of S.K. Bhattacharya, the concept of cost of capital can be used to evaluate the financial performance of top management. The actual probability of the project is compared to the projected overall cost of capital and the actual cost of capital of funds raised to finance the project. If the actual profitability of the project is more than the projected and the actual cost of capital, the performance may be said to be satisfactory. Fourth one, as a basis for taking other financial decisions. The cost of capital is also used in making other financial decisions such as dividend policy, capitalization of profits, making the rights issue and working capital. Thank you. Have a nice day.